Today we are at this beautiful place.
But it's not a park.
Yeah.
Guys, look. Guys, let's go to the swing that we just at. I know which way it is. Follow me now.
You sure there is fruits here? I want to eat fruit, but I didn't see any fruit. I don't know what she's talking about, but Shoba, what do you think about this beautiful garden? That's a lot of flies. Woo! A lot of flies.
This is the beautiful one ever.
Why do we need swimming clothes?
Okay, Shoba, Irawa, come stay with brother. Oh,
Is this supposed to be the swinging area?
this is not singing area, but Shoba likes here.
I want to put my swimming clothes on.
What do you want to say to those beautiful people who's watching?
Thank you for subscribing and watching.
Aww. Okay, okay. Shoba, what do you want to say? Huh?
Thank you.
Do you want to say anything to people? No. He don't talk.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's still 1 year old.
Yeah. And guys,
Oh, but
I
he's
like-
saying bye, so yeah, hi or bye, whatever.
Hi
Yeah,
or
but-
guys,
Slappy.
I like everyone that's watching this video. So subscribe and hit the notification and let's go. Come on.
Okay, guys.
What?
Floor lava. 1, 2, 3. Yaba. Irawa's safe. Okay. What is Yaba? Yaba's safe too. Get down, Irawa. It's over. It's over, so get down. She can get down. I'm gonna. Oh, lava! 1, 2, 3. Oh, you stay. Trying to catch you. Go up! There's fire! More! They forgot, so I'm gonna say pro lava. Pro lava! 1, 2, 3. Isha! You made it. You made it. It's over. No more lava.
Wait.
I think I see this thing.
Oh no, we're right here. We're right here. You see?
Okay, go.
Right here. Then we.
This thing is right here.
Wait. Yes. Yes.
There. Yeah.
Wait. What? I'm not holding it. I'm just finding the place. So, you're right here. Wait, what? Wait.
Grandma, I can barely see the swing. Rock my baby and trees up. Yeah, get up. He's faking.
I know. Alright, guys. We're gonna go more high, so hopefully you guys enjoy
If you're not
it.
tired, you
Push
leave your
me.
eyes closed forever. You're gonna go
Push
to
it.
sleep.
Yeah.
Thanks for